right people in the right seats. I have a question for you. If you had the opportunity, would you enthusiastically rehire every single person on your team tomorrow? If the answer is yes, then congratulations, you've done a great job of building your team. I'd really like to meet you and hear your story and how you did that. If the answer is no, then I would encourage you to join us at the SME meeting on Friday, May 17th. I'm Glen Dall. I'm the CEO of Apex North Business Coaching and a Conversion-omics keynote speaker. On that Friday, we'll talk about how to define the right seats for your bus depending upon your objectives, your core values, and the needs of your customers. We'll then talk about who are the people you put in those seats. How do you properly define the seats? How do you properly measure the performance of the people in those seats? How do you find those people? And really importantly, how do you retain them? Do you know the percentage of A players, B players, and C players on your team? Most people don't. That's okay. We'll talk about how you can do that. I hope to see you there. We're going to have a great time. We're going to learn a lot.